How to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. First, launch or open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app, where there are sections that can help you navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, make sure you tap on the profile icon. It is this icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Once you are here, you will see several other sections. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part of the page. Once you are here, tap this option named Linked Banks. This page appears. On this page, you will see all the bank accounts that are connected to your Cash App account. You can also connect a new bank account. To do that, all you have to do is tap here, Link your debit card. This page appears. On this page, you are supposed to fill in all the information about your debit card. Make sure you enter the right information here. Finally, tap here, Link the card, and the card will be linked. Next, come back to the homepage of the app, as you can see here. Once you are here, make sure you tap the bank icon. It is found here at the bottom left corner of the screen. This page then appears. On this page, you will see different options that are related to the bank and money. From them, tap on this option here at the top of the page. It is named Add Money. Once you tap on it, you will land on this page, where you are supposed to choose the amount of money you would like to transfer from your Chase Bank account. Make sure you enter the amount by either choosing it from the predefined amounts, just like you can see here. Also, you can enter custom amounts by tapping on these three dots here and then typing the amount, just like you can see me doing. Finally, tap here, and the money will be withdrawn from your bank account using the debit card you had connected to it. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App.